Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a panda macaron. So let's get started. To draw this panda macaron, we're going to first start by drawing a ovalish circle. So I'm just going to start here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw this big circle. Ovalish here, so not too worried about it being perfect. This is just supposed to be a really fun and cute drawing. So right there, and connect it. There. So I got my ovalish circle in, and then I'm going to come about right here towards the top and draw an ear. Right there, draw an ear, and then we're going to go right across, draw another one. There, so I got my two panda ears in. Let me just go ahead and shade this in black so we can see a little bit better. So same thing over here. Okay, so then let's bring this little, well, you know what? Let's draw the macaron first before we put on the face. Save the best for last. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna draw the filling. So I'm just gonna wiggle a curve. So come in here, just do this however you like. Just gonna wiggle, wiggle all the way back and taper it in. So just kind of tuck it in there. And then we're going to do one more layer, the bottom layer of the macaron. So I'm going to come right here and just draw another curve. Oops. There. Following and tucking it in once again. And tuck it right back in there. So there, we got our macaron in. So if you think it needs a little bit top right here, let me see. Change my angle, maybe give it a little bit edge right here. If you think it needs it. Obviously, the perspective is not correct, but it doesn't matter. Like I said, it's supposed to be a cute drawing, right? As long as it looks like it makes sense. There. Okay, now let's bring it to life. I'm going to come in the center, say about right here, and draw the panda's little nose. So it's just a little dot right underneath it. I'm just gonna wiggle a little smile. And then the beautiful panda patch of eyes. So I'm gonna come over here and just draw an oval at an angle. So it makes the panda so cute, right? It's this little black patch right here on the eye. So same thing on this side. And get to my dot. There. So then I'm going to come in the center right here and just draw a circle. And same thing on this side. There. Okay, so then let me shade that in right here, this patch. And I'm just going to leave the center of the eye blank. It's too small to make them draw so cute eyes, and I don't think it really needs it. It's too much detail. And I think it's pretty cute just left blank like that. So let's fill this all in right here. So there, my sweet panda macaron is all done. When you guys are coloring it, you can add some cheeks right here to give it some pop of color. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.